Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you in the 12 days of Christmas swap this beautiful number 3 which is handmade by Brigitta. If you haven't seen the first videos, I do encourage you to hop over and to take a look at those. I made quite a few videos. They're not so long, so if you have the time, grab a cup of coffee or tea and just enjoy. This is the number 3, again packaged up in this super beautiful and gorgeous golden dotted gift wrap paper. This is the element that you put on top of their. Super cute. It did get a little bit mashed, but that's okay. I can glue them down later on. So let's start opening up, and I'm hoping I can sort of reuse the package. I'm not sure. We'll try. I should grab some scissors the next time when I'm doing a video, because I believe that should work a lot better. So excited. So far I have received a beautiful chunky charm and a beautiful cake that were two trims. Let me try to. It's stuck somewhere. Sorry for the crinkling noise. Oh, wow. And I'm not sure on what it's stuck. Yes, I believe this is it, and also this one. Yes, we got everything out. Oh, such a fun advent calendar here. I believe that Levi will be in love with this one. He will be grabbing this out of my hand as soon as he sees this. I am afraid, but thank you so much for adding this one also to your gifts. And this is a beautiful one as well. Can you see the details there of this one? With a cup of cocoa there. And here you can see just a little bit better. We'll also zoom in so you can see it. And these are the series. I also have this one underneath there. Don't know if you can see it now. Try to zoom in. And oh, these are very cute elements to use. I have seen quite a few, but I haven't seen this one. And it's so cute that it holds a heart in the middle there, or a cup of cocoa, or whatever you would like to put inside there. Such a fun and cute die set. Thank you so much for that. This is always a joy to receive. Hazelnut cream choco balls there. Thank you so much for this one as well. Oh, nylon ball with a beautiful sort of a fluffy ice ball look there. Just love that one as well. Super cute. Thank you so much for all of these elements. I don't have these in my stash. Definitely don't have this advent calendar, but I am so happy that you have sent this one to us. And yeah, thank you so much again for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.